Alright, here's the 2026 4K remake video of the second Hunter Passport 3 ceiling fan installed in my grandma's house. There's not really much to say about this fan because it's exactly the same as the other one, with the only difference being that it's a little bit faster. So let's just start off on low speed. And it's also from February 6, 2004, just like the other one. And it's in also a little bit better shape than the other one as well. Because the last one has one of the blades is bent out of shape a little bit. But yeah, anyways, there's that on low speed. And like I said before, it is a little bit faster than the other one. Alright, now for medium speed. And this is the speed I usually keep this fan on. Medium speed, it already starts to make a little bit of a wind noise. Alright, so there's that. Now for high speed. So there's that. And any other noise you hear in the background is just some papers being blown around by the fan on high speed. Anyways, so I'll go in so you can hear the airflow noise more on this. So there's that. But anyways, I'll go turn it off now. Alright, thanks for watching this video, and bye.